Welcome, tech enthusiasts and futurists. Let's dive into the world of Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. Have you ever envisaged a world where robots can carry out assignments just like humans? Imagine this. August 2021, Tesla lifts the veil on the first-generation Optimus, a humanoid robot that appeared more like an individual in a robot outfit than a mechanized powerhouse. It greeted, it maneuvered, but its abilities were elementary. This was not the prototype of the science fiction champion we know today. However, it an assurance of the marvels that were to be unveiled. Elon Musk, always a dreamer, visualized beyond the initial simplicity. He envisioned a future where this metallic and silicon marvel would mature into a fully modeled by 2022. A humanoid robot, capable of doing more than just the basics. A robot that could labor, acquire knowledge, adjust, and contribute in ways that were formerly exclusive to humans. Now let's leap forward present and introduce you to the Gen 2. This is not just a robot, it's an embodiment of Tesla's technological prowess. Equipped technology, it executes precise movements, proving to be a remarkable leap from its predecessor. The Optimus Gen 2 represents a future where technology and humanity are harmoniously intertwined. From a vision to a promise, the journey of Optimus began, and with the introduction of Gen 2, a new chapter in this technological revolution unfolds. Fast forward to September 2022, and Tesla, in its second AI Day, unveiled two versions of Optimus. This marked a significant stride in the evolution of Optimus, showcasing a robot that was starting to look less like a costume and more like a genuine robotic marvel. The highlight of this evolution, without a doubt, was the more human-like hand movements. Its dexterity was remarkable, making it capable of intricate tasks. However, it was still a work. Despite this, the progress made was encouraging. Tesla had taken a promise and started to mold it into a reality. With each improvement, each refinement, the vision of a fully functional humanoid robot was becoming more tangible. With more advancements on the horizon, the promise of a fully functional humanoid robot became more palpable. This was the dawn of a new era. The era of Optimus. Welcome to the present day, where the Optimus Gen 2 stands as a testament to Tesla's technological prowess. This AI humanoid robot, a futuristic knight in armor, is a marvel of advanced technology. Its hands move with a startling 11 degrees of freedom, performing precise tasks with an almost human finesse. The Optimus Gen 2 is more than just a machine. It has a sense of touch. Its skin-like covering filled with sensors can distinguish between hot and cold, heavy and light, smooth and rough. It's a game changer, bringing the robot a step closer to human-like interactions. And what's more, it learns. It observes its environment, solves problems, and adapts. It's not just a robot, it's a thinker, a problem solver. Imagine the possibilities. From revolutionizing manufacturing to aiding construction, from being a household assistant to a companion, the applications are endless. The Optimus Gen 2, a marvel plucked from the pages of a sci-fi epic, is here to revolutionize our world. What are your thoughts on this technological leap? Share in the comments and subscribe for more updates on AI and robotics.